Good day, everybody. Today we're going to learn about Namibia's neighbors and the regions inside Namibia. Remember, Namibia is our country and we live in its capital city, which is Windhoek. To understand where we live, it's important to know who our neighbors are and how Namibia is divided into different regions. Namibia is a country in southern Africa. Like every house in the street has neighbors, countries also have neighbors. These are the countries that share a border with Namibia. On the north we have Angola and Zambia. On the east we have Zimbabwe and Botswana. On the south we have South Africa. And on the west side we don't have a neighboring country, but we have an ocean called the Atlantic Ocean, which is the very cold ocean. Namibia is divided into 14 regions. Now, some countries have provinces, but Namibia has regions. These regions helps us to organize the country, just like your classroom has groups or teams. Each region has its own town, people, and special features. Let's look at our 14 regions. Our first one is Zambezi. Then we have the Kavango East and Kavango West. On the top of these three regions, we have the Kavango River that is flowing through. Then we have Ohangwena and Omusati, which has the Kunene River flowing through them. We have the Kunene region, which has the desert that's running through, desert of Namibia running through right here. We have Oshona, which is called after the small dams that forms when it rains. We have Oshikoto, that has the Oshikoto Meer. Otjintjotjupa, which is our farming area. Maheke, which is where we find our border patrol there. We have Erongo, which has our coastal towns, Walvis Bay, Henties Bay, and Swakopmund. Khomas region, which has a lot of mountains and our capital city. Hardap, which has the Hardap Dam as well. We have the Karas, which has Ludritz and our diamond mine, as well as the Oranje River that's running in the south of Namibia. So, that is our 14 regions. Now let's look at our fun facts. The Khomas region is where our capital city, Windhoek, is found. The Karas region in the south is home to the Fish River Canyon, which is the largest canyon in Africa. In the Zambezi region, we have a region which is very close to 4 countries, Angola, Zambia, Botswana, and Zimbabwe. That makes it very special. In the Umusati region, we have Ruacana waterfall, and we also have the giant baobab tree. Now, the Ruacana waterfall is an energy-generated waterfall. That's where we get most of our electricity from. And in the giant baobab tree, you'll actually find one of our police stations situated in one of these trees. Then we have the Kunene region, which has the skeleton coast, where you'll find a lot of shipwrecked ships. And that's what makes our country special. Okay, so let's look at our questions. These questions you can answer by yourself. Let's see if you have listened and understood what we were talking about. Number 1, name one of Namibia's neighboring countries. Remember, there are 5 of them. Then, which ocean is on Namibia's west side? It's only one ocean. It's very cold. How many regions does Namibia have? There's a specific number that you need to answer there. Which region do we live in? Now, for me, I live in Windhoek, but you might live in Swakopmund or in Rundu or in Marintal. You need to see where your city lies or where your town lies and in which region you live in. Okay, so thank you so much for listening. I hope that you have learned something in this video, and I'll see you again next time.